Milan is a place many people dream of visiting. My friend has never been to Milan or even to Italy, which means we have one of the most unforgettable days ahead of us.
Chocolate.
Benvenuti a Milano, alla Galleria Vittorio Emanuele.
Grazie. Our first stop was Piazza del Duomo. This is the main square of Milan and the heart of the city. It's famous for the stunning Milan Cathedral, one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in the world, which took almost 6 centuries to complete. The square was packed with people, so we quickly moved to the Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II. The elegant glass-roofed gallery was built in the 19th century by architect Giuseppe Mengoni and named after Italia's first king. It's one of the oldest shopping malls in the world and a symbol of Milanese luxury.
I don't know what we're filming, but we're filming something.
We tried to take some nice photos and videos, but again, too many people everywhere. So we decided to keep going. We noticed people doing something strange, so it attracted our attention and we went to see what they were up to.
I was told that I need to do this for a better luck, or I can make a wish and go around 3 times. Tre.
I'm gonna tell you a secret about myself. I'm a curious person, so of course I decided to try it.
Bull is a symbol of Turin, the city where I study, and also Turin was the first capital of United Italy. You can take pictures with Duomo di Milano here from the main square with a lot of people, or you can do it almost without people from 2 main viewpoints, or even 3, if you can consider McDonald's as a viewpoint, the 2nd floor only. So let me show you. The first one is just behind me. It's called Duomo 21, and it's like the bar and the restaurant where you can eat and take drinks. And it's gonna be a bit expensive. Like for example, for the full aperitivo, Aperol Spritz plus some snacks, you will pay about 25 euros or something like this. I tried it only once. I don't want to try it anymore because for me it's still very expensive for Aperol Spritz. But you can just do it as we did. You can go there, take pictures and leave the place. I didn't recommend you that, but it's only your choice. And the second viewpoint is Museo del Novecento. Again, sorry for my Italian. So it's right here from another side of Duomo di Milano. I don't remember how much is the entrance cost, but I will put it somewhere here. And from the 3rd floor, you can take really, really nice pictures. Totally recommended. And also you can see some of the modern art, which you may enjoy.
Our next stop was the local Starbucks located in the former post office building. Can you imagine that? The Starbucks Reserve Roastery in Milan is unique. It's one of only a few in the world, and here they roast coffee beans right in front of you.
It smells so nice. Yes, yes.
It's fresh. It smells like hazelnut, chocolate.
Yes.
Yeah. Vabbè.
Va bene, grazie, grazie mille.
Since it's another tourist spot, there were many tourists and lots of souvenirs with the Starbucks logo. The selection of desserts was huge, so I definitely recommend going there and trying everything. And we really enjoyed that.
Okay, we're trying a pistachio. I don't know how to say it. How it's named in
Croissant di pistacchio.
Yes, it is. And I will try it.
How is it?
Oh,
Вкусно? No, nothing yet.
yeah.
Вкусно?
Delicious.
As we were leaving, we saw a huge line outside and realized we somehow managed to avoid the waiting. Our next stop was the University of Milan. Yes, you heard that right. None of us actually study there, but in Italy, and like in many European countries, you can actually enter any university freely, walk around, talk to students, and sometimes even sit in on the class. Spoiler, in Russia, my home country, that's not possible. You need a special pass to enter. We walked around the campus, but it was already late, so we only managed to chat with the university priest, a very kind man though. After that, we wandered around Milan a bit more. There were still some Halloween decorations left. We watched the sunset and then headed back to the station to wait for our bus to Turin. That's it! So we're already on the bus station, and here is ending our day in Milan. We didn't see everything, but still, I guess we caught the vibe, if I can say so. So, how was your first impression of Milan?
It was interesting, beautiful, and and fun. Yes, a
Would
bit.
you like to come back?
Uh, I'm not sure that I would like to come back, but maybe only in a few years.
Why you're
I
not
would-
sure?
Because the most significant sightseeing is Duomo, but I saw it from every side. And I don't think that it's really interesting to see it again.
Maybe to go upstairs, just or to go inside.
Yes, I didn't, but I think that it's not so much interesting, maybe. So, I mean that if I will be there, maybe because of some trip, maybe I would like to go and see it again, but to go there without any reason, just for fun, I'm not sure that it is important that I need it because I think that I saw everything that Milan could show me. But still, I like Milan.
I'm not in a comfortable position for the intro right now. Okay. Let me do it like this. I'm gonna. Okay. Okay. Now it's much better. Now it's much better. Because before I was sitting with the cross hands.
Cross hands, yes.
Yes. Maybe some people in the comments will say that we didn't see much of Milan. For sure. I mean, in every city there are nice sites that only locals know. We are not locals. I've been to Milan several times, maybe like five, 4 or 5 times, or even more. But even on my first time in Milan, it didn't impress me. I would rather go to Turin, for example, the city where I live, or somewhere in the south. I think the architecture of the south of Italy is more beautiful, but it's only my personal opinion. So please don't judge me if you're Italian, or if you're not Italian, don't judge me.
If you never visited Milan, I think that you should do it at least to make your own impression.
Yeah, true. Okay, so I hope we're not gonna be late for the bus. We still need to catch it. If you ever took Flixbus, you know how tricky it can be. You never know whether they're gonna be late or whether the bus will break down or something. Everything can happen with Flixbus.
Go or not?
Yes.
Not, I mean.
So we need to be careful here. Okay, thank you for watching my vlog and see you in my next video in a new country and a new place. Ciao!